Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 16. I'm Emily, and you're tuned in to Learn English by English.
And I'm Alex, always sharp and ready. Emily, before we discuss being alert and competent today, let's get the answer to the What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from S2E16.
Let's do it. Last time, Alex, you described your friend who was absolutely thrilled and incredibly happy after getting her dream job.
I did. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 best described that state of extreme happiness. The correct idiom was to be on cloud nine.
To be on cloud nine, meaning to be extremely happy or euphoric. Fantastic job to everyone who is floating on cloud nine with that correct guess. You can find that idiom in episode 15 of season 1.
Well done, everyone. Now, Emily, what idiom are we exploring today that describes someone who is quick, alert, and efficient?
Today, Alex, we're looking at a very complimentary idiom, on the ball.
On the ball. I like the sound of that. It means to be alert, knowledgeable, competent, and quick to understand or react to things, right?
Exactly. If someone is on the ball, they are attentive, efficient, and know what they're doing. They're often proactive and don't miss important details. For example, our new project manager is really on the ball. She's already identified potential problems and has solutions ready.
That's a great quality to have. It implies competence and being well prepared. What's the origin of this phrase, Emily? Does it come from sports?
Yes, it most likely originates from sports, Alex, particularly games like baseball or tennis. In these sports, players need to keep their eye on the ball to play effectively. If you're not watching the ball, you'll miss your chance to hit it or catch it. This literal need for attentiveness in sports extended metaphorically to being alert and competent in any situation.
That makes perfect sense. So, just like an athlete needs to be focused on the ball, someone who is on the ball in life or work is focused and responsive. For instance, I was impressed with how the event organizer was on the ball, handling every little detail smoothly.
Precisely. It suggests that the person is not easily caught off guard and is quick to respond to changing circumstances. You need to be on the ball in this fast-paced industry if you want to succeed.
It's definitely a positive trait. It contrasts with someone who might be disorganized, slow to react, or unaware of what's happening. It's about sharp and effective.
Absolutely. It's a great compliment to pay someone. So, to summarize for our listeners, on the ball means to be alert, competent, and quick to understand and react to things.
A wonderfully clear explanation, Emily. An idiom that describes a very desirable skill set. And now, are our listeners on the ball and ready for today's What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from Season 1?
I'm sure they are sharp and ready. What's the scenario for us today, Alex?
All right, here's today's challenge. My colleague was complaining about how his car broke down on the way to an important meeting. Then, while he was waiting for a tow truck, it started to rain heavily. He said it felt like one bad thing was just making another bad thing worse. Which idiom from Season 1 best describes his situation of having a bad experience made even worse by another unfortunate event?
Oh dear, that sounds like a truly terrible day for your colleague. Listeners, what do you think? Which Season 1 idiom describes making a bad situation even worse? Post your answers in the comments.
We look forward to your quick and accurate responses. And that's all the time we have for this episode.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 16 of Idioms Explained podcast. Please subscribe to Learn English by English and hit that notification bell. We try to stay on the ball with our explanations for you.
We do our best. Your engagement is what keeps us going. Until next time, everyone, stay on the ball.
Bye for now.